Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a simple, easy, and tasty peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now feel free to try this at home. That's one of the main reasons I wanted to make this video, so you guys can try it and see how it tastes. It's really good, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So first off, we are going to be needing our bread. Now, breads always come with these things on them. I think honestly, the best way to seal them is just get a clothespin or a clip instead of using this, because we all know that sometimes this can be hard to get back on. Yeah, it is pretty hard, and sometimes it doesn't get the whole thing. But yeah, today we are using Dave's bread, organic bread today. Now we only have a few pieces of bread left, so I gotta go back to the grocery store and get some bread. Okay, so first we need our bottom piece. Now, you guys probably make it different, and I know I can see that because everyone I know makes it different. But this is one of the key things to making one. You're going to get butter and spread the butter on here. I'm gonna get a little small chunk of butter, small little chunks. Now just a note to self that we will be using more butter for the top piece. Now, yeah, I got a little too much right there. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, yeah, good with that piece. Okay, so you can see, well, my hands are all dirty. With butter, you can just rub them together. It'll get the butter off, but it'll make your hands all greasy, so you can wash them off later. But you just want to really get the butter in those little small things. Oh, look at that. We got a piece of the thing inside. But yeah, you just want to get it, make it soak it in all those little holes inside or whatever, the textures. Like that. It should basically look like that. Now you can basically butter it however you want, but I'm just making it simple, and this is pretty much how I do it. Now, second of all, on the bottom, I like to put the peanut butter. Now, you guys probably put peanut butter on the top, or some of you might do it on the bottom. I like to do it on the bottom. You actually can put it wherever you want, on top or bottom. It doesn't matter, but I just put it wherever, so you can put it wherever, and you're just going to spread it on top of the butter. I know peanut butter basically has butter, but I like to add a little extra butter to make it just a little more buttery. And this actually does taste good. Now you don't really want to get your edges dirty. I kind of did, but because it kind of can ruin crust if you don't like the crust like that. Now I know some of you don't like the crust. Now this crust doesn't have any stuff in it. It's just plain crust, so you can do that. If yours has those nut bits or stuff, or I don't know, little almond bits in it stuff, you can just leave it how it is. Okay, guys. Now, on to the jelly part. We're going to get this all little peanut butter off. What I like to do is I like to get it right here and, just scoop it like that. And soon it'll just fall in there, like that. And actually, a simple way to clean your knife off is just on the jelly part. If you don't want that, just you know, you can spread it on here. Just spread it on here if it's just a little bit. Clean it. Stupid flies. Okay, sorry about that. All right. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna get the bread. There's 2 pieces. And we're gonna do the jelly. Now, a simple way to clean your knife off is you simply get the top. Just start doing that, and it'll soak in soon. Now, the jelly, what you want to do is you want to get the right amount. Now, yep, just like that. And now, I kind of find this satisfying, but pretty good. You just sandwich it in half, just like that. Now there's a little piece of butter right there. Just gonna hold down for about, what I'd say, like 20 seconds. Okay, about that. That wasn't, I guess it was somewhat of 20 seconds, but I think it's whenever you think it's good enough. Now you're gonna put your knife in here. Just make sure everything's all spread out. Then you are going to squeeze, get all that stuff out of your knife, just like that. Then that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any cool new videos just like this one. Yeah, without further ado, see you guys next time.